This is Kathleen Bassett, and here is my Nespresso advertisement. I wanted to create something that really captured Nespresso's style and was sleek, but also really showed their product. I chose one of their latte makers called the Latisma Touch, and just placed it with a black background to make it really simple. And I also captioned the top text espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato with a question mark. Just kind of toying with the idea that um, you could make all these at home and it would be something, you could just have in your daily life that makes multiple drinks. And I chose a type that was similar, I thought, to the Nespresso logo. And it's kind of playful, but it also, I feel like, captures their style. So my objective was with this was again just to make something really sleek, but simple, and the text brings a little bit of playfulness to the design. And yeah, I think it represents Nespresso well and represents their style. Thank you for listening.